Hi everyone, and welcome back to another lesson with Slide into English. And we are continuing our playlist of plurals and extending our practice and our exposure to more plurals. Specifically today, we're going to look at some irregular plurals. This is essentially any of those plurals that don't end in an S. So we need to go back to the beginning of our playlist and look at all the other rules for plurals that exist in the English language. That's going to help us with today's examples. Now, here at Slide into English, we believe that the best way to get better at English is through exposure and comprehensible input. So, that's what I'm here to provide. And if you like these kinds of videos and if you want to hear and see more of them, don't forget to comment on this video, like it, and subscribe. Hello and welcome to all my new subscribers. It's really great to have you here, and I cannot wait to be in the classroom and learn with you together. Without further ado, let's look at our new list of words. The only theme for the words here is that they are irregular plurals. Here are our words: goose, deer, calf. This is both the calf, the young cow, as well as the leg muscle. Story, peach, and baby. Do you remember all the other plural rules? You can have a look back at the older videos now if you'd like. How did you go? Our plurals are as follows: geese, deer, calves, stories, peaches, and babies. Now, let's look at some of these words in examples. Our first example: Uncle, can you please tell me a story? I know lots of stories. Would you like to hear about the owl and the pussycat? No, that's a story for babies. Can you tell me the story about the recent politician who had to step down? Where did you hear that one from? The news. Kids these days. Next example. Hey, could you please walk to the supermarket? Oh no, my calves really hurt from sport yesterday. You know what I hear is good for sore calves? What? Peaches. But we don't have any peaches. I'd need to go to the supermarket for those. Exactly. And while you're there, please pick up some milk and bread too. Final slide. You know, it's hunting season soon. Oh no, we still have some goose in the freezer from last season. There's no more geese around here. I'm looking for something else. Something bigger. Like what? I want to bring home a deer. I know a guy who has a farm with lots of deer on it. Is that allowed? It's okay. I've got a license. Alright, that's the end of today's lesson on irregular plurals. If you enjoyed this and want more plural practice, I'm happy to prepare some more vocab lists and some more sentences for you. Just leave a comment and let me know. Like this video, and if you would like to be updated on my content, don't forget to subscribe. It's always great to have you here, and always great to know somebody is listening to these videos and is helping them somehow, even in a little way. So I would love to see you next time. Have a great day.